Playing action.
Hello everyone, my name is Adji and this is our segment of technology management and I choose the Cisco alternatives for business model. Next. My name is Adji Mantek. You guys can call me Adji. Here goes my student number. I'm a proud graduate of University of Indonesia Engineering Faculty, majoring in the Industrial Engineering. So our presentation outline today is about the company profile, which is the Cisco System Incorporated. The company priors BMC, this is not campus, and company analysis, which is consists of quarter 5, and strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat analysis of the company itself. And the last one is about the recommendation and the new alternative of business model canvas within the Cisco itself. So company profile, yeah. So Cisco is founded in 1984 and is headquartered in San Jose, California, and which is the main route for designs, manufacturers, and sell internet protocol-based networking products and services related to the communications. And it's also information technology industries that are worldwide and renowned for its selling force. So the company analysis and the prior BMCs. This is the prior BMCs of Cisco System Incorporated, which is already conducted and already explained in the midterm and midterm assignment. This is the key partners, their key activities, their value proposition, which is a world-class and non-technology provider, and IT innovations and business acceleration. And Cisco's tagline, which is tomorrow's are here, which is well-known, world-class, and yeah, have a lot of history within it. And this is our key resource, channels, cost structure, and revenue stream, and you can read it and ask me more. So Cisco Systems Incorporated Portal 5. This is the already Portal 5 available, and the rivalry among existing firms is basically moderate. Cisco only have little to few or little to none existing firms that are competing head-to-head with Cisco. It's basically 3Coms, Linksys, and etc. And which is their existing firms or the other competing firms are basically studying and from the United States also. So the threat of new entrants is high because Cisco is basically a technology startup company, and which is the new entrants is high for the new startup and new technology. And the threat of substitute product is moderate because Cisco itself have a global market sales of 51% within the market itself. It's basically 51% of your local router Wi-Fi is basically from Cisco. And the bargaining power of buyers is very low because, as I said before, Cisco acquired 51% of global market, and bargaining power of suppliers is moderate because, yeah, only few to none, only few to little that company that manufacture this is for Cisco's. This is our strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. As you can see, the strength is their brand values, which is tomorrow starts here, and the current technology leader because the patent itself and the licensing itself is basically all the known revenue streams within the Cisco itself, and its market leaders also and have a high growth potential within the market itself. Cisco weaknesses is the delays of orders because Cisco have little to none distribution center and low force in distribution terms and high pricing, and the third one is the outsourcing many business processes. The opportunities are growth in the software markets, the smart grid infrastructures, and strategic alliances or acquisitions within the companies itself, and contemplating with the Cisco technology itself. The threats are the competition, the volatile market, and litigation. This is my recommendation about the new BMCs for Cisco and the new alternative for Cisco. Basically, I have five of recommendation. The first one is the increasing the market presence. As you can know, the quality of Cisco products grows so much their market presence in the United States and globally or overseas. Cisco has also allowed itself to gain market presence through acquisitions of Linksys system, which is their main competitor within the United States. And if Cisco managed to acquire Linksys system, it's basically Cisco could dominate the whole global world within the market itself. And the second one is the superior product quality and variety. The companies must still provide excellent quality, well-engineered products, and then also market for the least expensive product that Cisco also provide. And you definitely want to become for the cheaper. And the investment in research and development. There is always a demand for innovation. As I stated before, Cisco is since a startup company since 1994 and keeping our technology on the cutting edge, giving our products a distinct advantage, which is research and development is the key here, not only for industry leaders, but also possible entrants as well for the other Cisco competitions. And the fourth one is the low-cost distribution. While it is still an important method, many companies have adapted distribution system that partner or outsource with a system with large wholesale distributors, or who sell the products to secondary sellers, which purchase the products for their customers, or other customers, and other link of distributions. The fifth one is about the product price. As you well know, and you do so, in order for Cisco to compete with companies such as the other companies, the new entrants, the other competitors like such as Tricom, Juniper, and Nortel, they use competitive pricing. So to accomplish low pricing while not sacrificing quality of Cisco outsources, manufacturing process, and allow online direct purchase. So my suggestion is to accomplish low pricing, Cisco could also outsource manufacturing facilities and allow online direct purchase so that it doesn't need any long chain of orders or chain of distribution. Next. This is my new alternative for BMCs. The key partners is the Linksys System Incorporated Acquisitions and the large wholesale distributor as a third party for selling Cisco's product. And I add another key activities, which is the investing more within the research and product development. The key resource become the outsourcing of product manufacturer and increase of value proposition, which is providing world-class services and products and superior product quality. So that is all from me, and I'm sorry for there any mistakes. And I'm sorry if there are any mistakes, and thanks. And if you have any questions, you can find me at ramante.adji@ui.id. Thank you.